figure out, checkmate. Nothing to say now. Dead weight, we're on the way down. Now I'm in a free fall with nothing to hold on to. Pacing for the end, pray for the wind to slow down the feeling and let it be somewhere new. Staring down the ground, it's coming soon. Wishing I could just free fall into you. Hey yeah, hey yeah. Wishing I could just free fall into you. Hey yeah, hey yeah. Wishing I could just free fall into you. Hey yeah, hey yeah. Wishing I could just free fall into you. Hey yeah, hey yeah. Hey yeah, hey yeah. Hey yeah, hey yeah. This is hard.
She said don't call my phone on a Friday night, but I never did listen. So I'ma hit you now on a FaceTime, and I know you won't miss it. Girl, I know you waited, you ain't over me. You only wanna talk to the stove with me. Things didn't work in the past life, that doesn't mean that I won't try. She said, stop it, you always let me down when I want you. I can't help it, girl, I can't let you forget me, me, me. Won't let you forget me, me, me. Yeah. Girl, I take back all the lies and the sorry, girl, I try. Let's remember all the times that we did have, and the times I made you laugh when you sat up on my lap, and the borders wasn't packed cause of COVID. Back and forth we go, that ain't all she wrote.